Hello, friends. Welcome back to the latest update of Spotify Camp Nou, bringing you an exclusive look at the latest progress. From rising structures to sleek facade panels, the progress is nothing short of spectacular. The third tier is now almost fully completed, with only a few small gaps remaining, marking a huge milestone in the construction journey. Day by day, the progress is accelerating, and the stadium is evolving at an incredible pace. And here's an exciting update for fans. Camp Nou is expected to reach full completion by 2027. And once finished, it will host around 105,000 fans, creating one of the most breathtaking football atmospheres in the world. Join us as we explore the latest milestones in Barcelona's iconic arena. At the Tribuna terrace, work is progressing steadily with machinery and materials spread across the area. Most of the lamella support connections are already installed, with only a few gaps remaining, showing strong progress. The elevator structure is nearly complete, with minor beam installation still ongoing. New connection pieces are also being prepared, indicating more work coming soon. Overall, this section of Camp Nou is moving efficiently toward the next phase, highlighting the impressive scale and rapid development of the project. We'll head over to Gol Norte to check the latest developments. From massive beams to smaller structural details, every section is evolving fast. The site is alive, buzzing with progress, and it's truly exciting to see the stadium take shape day by day. Watching this transformation makes you realize just how much effort and precision goes into creating something so extraordinary. Yesterday, they started placing lamas, and now there's work on the beams with that white material. One worker cleans the dust, another applies the layer carefully. Every beam, every corner shows how daily efforts are adding up to the massive progress at Gol Norte. Over here, the team is working on the pistons and elevating platforms. Every piece installed is visible progress, and the structure is slowly taking shape. The area might look calm from a distance, but every beam and platform shows steady advancement. Along the lateral side, the flanges we saw yesterday are now installed, connecting perfectly with the radial beams. Cranes and platforms are buzzing as workers align the massive pieces. It's incredible to see these giant components coming together, transforming the space day by day. Protective nets are also going up, showing how every detail is being taken care of. The stadium really is evolving right before our eyes. Over in the VIP section, new black panels are going up fast. The left side was already done, and now the right side is filling in beautifully. Each piece is carefully aligned, and you can feel the transformation happening. This section is shaping up quickly, and seeing it gradually covered with these panels is genuinely impressive. The stadium is taking form in such a stunning way. At Gol Norte, a massive flange is stealing the show. One worker is taking a break in its shade while it's being secured. Seeing these giant components in real life is jaw-dropping. The progress here is remarkable, and it's amazing to witness these pieces coming together piece by piece. A new structural piece has been lifted near the tower crane and is still secured with chains, showing final positioning is underway. Another radial beam is also in place, indicating more activity coming soon. Workers on scaffolding are handling installations and safety tasks, as this section of Camp Nou continues to progress with impressive precision. In the corner area, groundwork is clearly progressing as soil is being added and compacted to fill the gap. Even when activity isn't fully visible, continuous movement behind the scenes highlights how this part of Camp Nou is gradually taking shape with consistent progress. Up above, the diamond area is gradually clearing material, showing how work keeps moving forward. Some sections may seem quiet, but the progress is real. The prefabricated stands at Gol Sur are almost complete, with just a few finishing touches left. Day by day, these structures advance, and you can really feel the stadium coming together. And that wraps up today's visit. What an incredible day to witness the stadium's progress. Every beam, every lama, every support is proof of advancement. And the excitement of seeing it take shape day by day is unmatched. If you enjoyed this update, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future visits.